Hi and welcome to 3rd grade Cherry Blossoms. In this project, we are going to be creating our very own Japanese style cherry blossom painting. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to get your large paper and you're going to keep it portrait. It's very large and skinny. You are going to NCP in the middle. Name, code, and period clearly in the middle. Then you are going to flip it over. The tools you're going to need are blue tape, a paintbrush, a template, plus your pencil. Now the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to find the end of the blue tape, wherever it may be, because sometimes it can be a little bit tricky to find where it is. And right now, is that it? There it is. You are going to tear off enough to give your paper a frame. So you're going to put it across each edge and turn it under. Gently turn it under. And you're going to do that all the way around your paper. So I'm going to do the one side, like so. This is to give us a frame. When you've done all 4 sides, it should look like this. At this point, you're now going to put in the outline for your sun or moon. You are going to take the stencil, the template, and you're going to choose the biggest circle. You can put it on the left or the right. And gently, very gently, with your pencil, you're going to draw in that circle. Now you can hardly see it. If I bring it up, you can just about see it. We want to make it really light. This is too dark. It's going to show up through our watercolor. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to get my watercolor paints. Here we go. And I have a large flat brush, and I'm going to do wet on wet. Remember what that was? That is putting water onto the paper first, then adding the colors that I need. So, taking my brush and taking my water, I'm going to very gently, not a lot, paint on some water. Now you want to stay away from the circle because we are going to be painting around it. Now I have given it a wash of water, I'm going to choose my colors. Now I'm going to use warm colors. Warm colors are going to be these 3. Yellow, orange, red, maybe brown, but I'm going to stick with these ones. I'm going to take some red and I'm going to just place it on my paper. And as you can see, it moves around the paper really easily because of the water. Now, I'll change color, and maybe I'll put some orange on there. And I'm blending my colors together. And I'm going to continue doing that all over my paper until I am happy that it is complete. I'm going to go around my circle. I don't want to paint in my circle. And as you can see, this pencil mark was really heavy, so you can still see it. So I'm going to continue that all the way down until I'm finished. When I'm done, I will have some choices here. Here's one in warm colors. Here's one in cool colors. Here's one in cool colors again. And that is part 1 of 3rd grade Cherry Blossoms.